Good evening and welcome to the post-game press conference. I'm joined by our winning coach, Coach Jong Ichiko. Congratulations, Coach Jong.
Yes, thank
Today
you.
you scored 106 against, staying true to your averages when it comes to your offense. Pero palagi mo sinasabi, importante rin yung depensa ang Road Warriors. How do you assess the defense that they put up today against Macau?
Um, in the first half, medyo masama. Because they scored like 52 points if I'm not mistaken. Second half, decent naman, but can be better. But they're playing, the past two games, they're playing a lot better than they did at the start. So they're getting used to the game of every day. Buti na lang na medyo nasa kalagitnaan yung kalaban namin. I'm sure they'll get better in the next games.
Thank you, Coach Jong. Now we would like to open the floor for Fred for Butres.
Hi, good evening. Coach, ano lang, masabi mo lang sa naging recovery ng team mo after niyo matalo dun sa middle quarters. What did you like yung response ng team mo fourth? Kasi medyo talo kayo ng both second and third.
Sorry.
Medyo, kasi coach, how did you like lang yung recovery ng team mo in the fourth
Yeah,
quarter?
it was a grind game eh. Sama ng, we were playing that well offensively, nor were we playing that well defensively. It was a grind game today. And, it's good that we came up with a win. Now we learned, how to win in grind type games. Na laro lang ng laro, even things are not going the way we planned it to be.
Coach, nga, after 6 games, 5-1, and in the midst of a 3-game winning streak now after tonight, was this something na, nga, pinroject nyo, in-expect nyo entering the conference?
No, we don't project. We don't project. Where we will be at the end of the conference or at this. We just want to improve every day, and then if it brings us a win, then we say thank you.
Really, congratulations. Got a win today, but it was a tough challenge against a Macau team that sits on the bottom of the table. How difficult was the challenge, and how you guys were able to get control of the game in the fourth quarter?
Cal Black is one of those teams that every coach will be a little bit scared to play because they own six, so they have nothing to lose, and it's hard to motivate a team to play. And I think we came out strong, but then they made it run, and then we had to come back in and readjust our game plan, and then we went ahead and closed the game out. But Cal's a good team. They're just struggling right now, and you just can't underestimate a team like that.
PD, another strong game for you, 28 points and 18 rebounds. How do you assess your performance so far halfway in the eliminations?
My whole plan is just come in and just dominate as much as possible. And my teammates do a great job finding me, coaches do a great job of giving me the right position. And I think that's what's been helping me play well and just be aggressive.
Coach, ano lang sayang sa nilaro ni Bayo ngayon, parang kasi last few games hindi ganun ka-production niya, not his usual production, but now we have crucial shots.
Yeah, that's good about role players. Bayo is a good role player. Tony is a good role player. They know their strengths. Minsan, like the last game, he did produce too well, but Tony produced a lot. But the minutes that he played, na nakapagpahinga si Tony, malaking bagay. It's already a big impact to the team. Now that Tony was not able to play, he played very well, and then Dom played his part. He played very well also. So the role players, do their role, do their job to the best of their ability.
Coach, sa pagkakasabi mo, parang nagiging malalim na yung team ninyo.
Yeah, we are getting to the pieces na lumalalim. Unti-unti we are getting to the pieces that will make us have a big bench.
Yeah, well, just to piggyback on the role players, like these guys are playing extremely well right now, and they're doing exactly what we need to do to help us win this game. I mean, you got your main guys that's gonna score the ball, do all that, but the small intangible things that like Tony, Bayo, Dom, and some of these other guys, Cyrus, all these guys are doing, like it's hard to replace that. And these guys are doing every day in practice and doing that, so they're playing extremely well. They're one of the reasons why we're up in the stands right now.
KD, the next game is against Meralco on Friday. You have a familiarity of sorts with Meralco. You played one game the ESL. Just your thoughts on Meralco and another top challenge for you guys.
Yeah, I mean, they're a good team. We played this team the other night, and they played pretty. I mean, it was a back and forth game, but they're a good team. We just got, be prepared to play them. They got great players over there. I played with them, so I know some of the guys, and I kind of have an idea what they're gonna do on defense for me too. So it's gonna be a good game. Just looking forward to playing.
Coach Meralco.
Yeah, Meralco is always a tough team to play. They've got bigs, they've guards that can score. We saw the last game, so we'll watch video and see how we can defend them because they can score and they can defend also.
Okay na?
Coach,
Coach KD, thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
guys.